What is up, YouTube family? It's your boy, it's your nigga, it's your prince, aka Mdulegi, aka MK, aka the real freaking Embo Prince, back yet again with another reaction video. Hey, not just any reaction video, actually, a banger, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all know, I always believe in bangers. Yeah, welcome to my channel. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment for your prince. You know what I'm saying. I'm sure you read the title, you know what we're about to do. We're gonna be reacting to Dang It Kolele music video. So without wasting much more of your time, let's get into this video. Yeah. Oh. Where is that? Durban or Johannesburg? I think it's Josie though. Cause hey, an African queen. What are we doing with guns now? What's up? I thought this was a love song. Yeah. That's definitely Josie. Yeah, that's definitely Joburg. Yeah. What's happening? Gender-based violence. Oh, now I understand where these songs come from. Yeah. I don't wanna lie, this shit's a banger. Can't use us MRA like in a few days, and then it's a banger. I'm waiting for this video, actually. Let's go. Yeah. Can we just take a moment and appreciate how beautiful they are? I mean, the females being shown in this video are so, man, they're so beautiful, man. And I like seeing beautiful females, you know what I'm saying? Especially when they're from home. Bro. Especially when they're from home. Yeah. We've got our own queens. We don't need no other queens. We've got our own queens. Yeah. Pure love. Let's go. She even got, man. Yeah. Hey. This is what makes South African music videos lit. Every time it's the dancers, bro. Every time. No other nation comes close. I'm telling you. Yeah. The song hasn't even started yet, and I'm bumping my head, and I'm already on the vibe. Hey, yeah. Kill it, hey. Now I wish I could dance. Yeah. Okay. If you are a fan of this channel, or if you are a subscriber or whatever, you know we love those. We have to pause a video every time we see a freaking beautiful female, or a female's got ass and big BOOBIES. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Every time we see those, we're gonna pause the video. We love those. We love adoring our African sisters. We love looking at their bodies, you know what I'm saying? I'm not the only one. I'm sure you also like seeing them. But hey, let me not waste your time. Let's go. think this is the actual video of the song. I think this is a fan-made video, but it's still a banger. It's like the reaction. It's like a video actually. Hey. And my mind is telling me that this nigga is the one who compiled this video. I don't know, but it's what I think. Yeah. Yes. Hey. I don't wanna like the visual, but you know what I'm saying? Hey. Yeah. Every time Mesha and Dave pass together, just know it's a banger. Every time. I'm telling you. Every time they say, hey, pass together, just know. Yeah. No. That's a no. Don't take my baby girl with drugs. Don't tempt her with drugs. She's mine. You see how she looking at me? Not you. That's pure jokes. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Legend Mpura, the legend, my nigga Mpura, R.I.P. Mpura, and Zekete, yeah. Is the song over or it's just what's happening? Yeah, I think the actual song that we came here to react to is now done. So, thank you for tuning in on my channel. Let's be bored together actually. If you're bored, I'm also bored with you. So yeah. It's been your boy, it's been your prince, your one and only. Catch you on the next video. Peace.